In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Join Us feature from your Wix app, ensuring a cleaner and more streamlined user experience on your website. If you've been looking to simplify your site by getting rid of the members section clutter, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide. To start, make sure you're in your Wix editor environment. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll notice an icon labeled Pages and Menu. Clicking this icon will bring up a list of all the pages currently integrated into your site. Now, what you're looking for is the page group typically labeled as My Account or Members Area. This is where the magic happens, as it encompasses all the associated features like member profiles and notably the often unwanted Join Us and Login buttons that might be cluttering your site. Once you've spotted the page group, direct your attention to a small icon beside it, 3 dots in a vertical line. This symbol indicates more options are available to you. By clicking on these 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear with several actions you can take. From this menu, you'll want to choose Remove. Keep in mind this action isn't just temporary, it's intended to completely remove the members area and all its related functionalities from your site. Right after you click Remove, Wix will prompt you with a confirmation dialog. This is just a system's way to ensure that you indeed intend to proceed with this decision, as it'll permanently take away multiple elements. Confirm the deletion by agreeing to the prompt. With these steps, you'll successfully remove the Join Us and Login buttons, as well as all the member profile pages and any member login prompts. Your site will now present as more focused and less cluttered, providing a clear path for your visitors to engage with the content and services that matter most. So there you have it, an easy and straightforward method to declutter your Wix site by removing the members area entirely. This adjustment not only enhances user experience by simplifying navigation, but can also align with your site's privacy and accessibility goals. Thank you for following along today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to stick around for more tips on optimizing your website and making the most out of your digital tools. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. See you next time.